Hey everyone and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to use Nextdoor app for businesses. If you are running a business or you want to manage your business and meet real people, real intent and neighborhoods everywhere, then this is specifically for you because it helps you to grow your business with marketing resources and insights from Nextdoor business centers. So this allows you to simply manage everything. So what you need to do is simply click on this get started option and it will be leading you to a different section where you need to create your account and enter the details. So you can see if we head over to there's profile, you can simply create your ad and get started. So all of these benefits are going to be included in Nextdoor Business Suite that you're going to be looking. You can see we have over 100 million verified users listed and many great features ahead. So this is basically how to get started with the application. If you want to learn more, just let me know in the comments below. I will make a dedicated long video upon this. So I hope this helps. See you guys around in the next video.